So you're looking for a better way to manage and pay your business bills, and you've narrowed it down to Melio and Ramp. Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down how these two platforms actually compare when it comes to paying vendors, where credit cards, rewards, and cash flow fit into each of them, and which one is going to make more sense for your business specifically. Now, this video is sponsored by Melio, but they've been a channel partner for a while now, and they're letting me give my own honest take here, which I can because I've got extensive firsthand experience with both of these products. So let's get into it. Diving right into things. What is Melio? Well, Melio is a bill pay platform designed for small and mid-sized businesses that want flexibility in how they pay their vendors. And the core thing that sets Melio apart is this: you can pay bills with a credit card, even if your vendor doesn't accept cards. The way it works is Melio charges your card and then sends the vendor an ACH transfer or a paper check. Some of the other key things you're going to find with Melio: you can pay vendors by ACH, check, or credit card. You can use most major business credit cards, not just a Melio branded card. Credit card payments do incur a 2.9% fee. Standard ACH transfers are free with limits depending on your plan. International vendor payments are supported, including payments in foreign currencies. They've also got accounts receivable tools built in so you can send invoices, and it integrates with QuickBooks and Xero. Melio offers a free plan with limited users, plus paid plans that unlock more users and additional features. Now, Ramp is a pretty different kind of tool. Well, Ramp is a spend management platform, and it's built primarily around its own corporate charge card. Where Melio is focused on giving you flexibility in how you pay, Ramp is more about visibility and control over everything your team is spending. So it combines bill pay, expense tracking, accounting automation, and card controls into one system, but most of the payments are designed to flow through the Ramp Visa card or standard bank transfers. Some of what you're going to find with Ramp: a corporate Visa charge card issued by Ramp itself, bill pay via ACH, check, or the Ramp card, a free plan with paid tiers for more advanced features, strong expense tracking, approval workflows and reporting tools, and integrations with NetSuite, QuickBooks, and other accounting platforms. Now, Ramp does not have the same robust invoicing or accounts receivable features that Melio has. It's primarily focused on outgoing spend. And one more thing worth flagging up front: Ramp does have eligibility requirements. You'll generally need around $25,000 in the bank and reasonably steady cash flow to qualify. So if you're a newer or smaller business, that's worth knowing going in. Now, let's get into the key differences, because this is really where the decision is going to come down for most people. Starting with credit card flexibility. With Melio, you can pay bills using almost any business credit card you've already got. With Ramp, card payments need to go through the Ramp Visa card specifically. So if you've already got a card with rewards you like, good cash back, travel points, whatever it is, you can keep using that with Melio. With Ramp, you'd be switching to their card. Now, on that note, rewards and cash flow. With Melio, you're earning whatever rewards your existing card gives you. With Ramp, you're earning rewards through Ramp's own card structure, and their core cashback rate is generally around 1.5% on most purchases. So if you've already got a card with strong rewards, Melio is going to let you keep using that. If you don't have a card you love and you want a solid corporate card with spend controls already built in, Ramp's structure might actually be the simpler path. Now, international payments. Both Melio and Ramp support international payments, and both charge a $20 flat fee if you're paying in USD. But here's a meaningful difference. If you're paying in the vendor's local currency, Melio's foreign exchange rates are significantly lower than what you'd get through Ramp. And on top of that, Melio lets you pay international vendors by credit card in their local currency. Ramp does not support that. So if you've got international vendors and you want the lowest fees and the most flexibility there, Melio has a pretty clear edge. Next, accounts receivable. This one is a pretty obvious winner. Melio includes invoicing and accounts receivable tools, so you can both pay vendors and get paid through the same platform. Ramp's accounts receivable features are much more limited. It's really built for outgoing payments. So if invoicing is something you need, Melio is the obvious choice here. Now, let's talk about pricing. With Melio, there's a free plan to get started. Their paid plans start at around $25 per month per user on the core plan and go up to around $80 per month per user on the unlimited plan, which unlocks higher ACH limits and more advanced workflow features. Credit card payments always carry that 2.9% fee regardless of plan. International payments in US dollars include an additional $20 flat fee, and local currency payments use the exchange rate shown up front, which is one of the lowest among bill pay solutions out there. With Ramp, the free plan requires a minimum of $25,000 in the bank, so there is a cash balance requirement just to qualify. Their Ramp Plus plan runs around $15 per month per user, adding advanced approval workflows, batch payments, and deeper accounting integrations. Standard ACH is free with Ramp. Same-day ACH is $10. Domestic wires are $15. international wires are $20, and any foreign exchange fees are built into the exchange rate when applicable. So pulling it all together, which one is going to be better for you? Go with Melio if you want to pay vendors with your existing business credit card, if earning points or extending your cash flow is a priority, if you need a straightforward yet powerful solution for managing business payments, if you want the lowest and most transparent foreign exchange rates. Go with Ramp if you're looking for a corporate card solution that centralizes all of your team's spending, if you need advanced approval workflows, spend controls, and reporting across a team, or if you want a more automated spend management system overall. So look, Melio and Ramp solve pretty different problems. Melio is about payment flexibility and control, especially for small and medium-sized businesses that are managing cash flow carefully and want to get the most out of their existing credit cards. Ramp is about spend oversight and automation. It's going to be the better fit for teams that want everything running through one corporate card with strong controls around it. Thanks again to Melio for sponsoring this one. Really do appreciate them as a channel partner and genuinely happy to vouch for them. Links for both Melio and Ramp are in the description below. If you've got any thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.